All right, guys, let's go ahead. I don't know, for some reason this looks bigger than what I thought it would be, but let's go ahead and install it. This is the one. It started its trip in Houston, it went from Houston to Cincinnati to Florida to Australia, back to, I don't know why, but this has been all around the world. All around the world. So let's go ahead and install this real quick and just see if it cuts out that binging sound. So let's hurry up and do this real quick. It's like 12, little after 12, midnight. We got work